Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss about the some characteristics of the accounting principles. So there are some accounting principles. So there are some basic characteristics are also. So the accounting principle are the first of all, the first characteristics is the accounting principle are uniform and set of the rules. Means the accounting principle are uniformly applicable all over the world and that are accepted by all the accountants, whether in India or whether in the any country. So these rules and the guidelines developed to ensure the uniformity and the easy understanding of the accounting informations. So the accounting preparation are done at a uniformity basis, not on the various rules and the regulation applicable by the various entities. So the uniformity is very important characteristics for the maintenance of books of accounts. So this is the basic features of the accounting principles. So the second one is the accounting principles are the man-made. Accounting principles are the man-made, are derived from the experience and the regions. They are not laboratory tested and hence they lack the universal applicability like the principles of physics, chemistry and the other natural science, because this is the man-made and this is the derived from the experiences and the regions. So as like the other subjects, physics, chemistry, maths, so there is the lack of the universal applicabilities. So because the man-made application can be changed by any regions or by the change of the economic environments. So third one is the accounting principles are the flexibles. Accounting principles are the flexibles. Accounting principles is not rigid but are the flexibles. They are bound to change with the passage of time in the response to the change in the business practices. If the business practices are changed, government policies are changed, needed the user of the accounting information as per their changes practices, business practices. These are the so the accounting principles should also be in the flexible in the nature. So the characteristics of the accounting principle is not in the rigid. Okay. The fourth one is the accounting principles are generally accepted. Accounting principles are the generally accepted by all the entities who follow the same, who running the same type of the business enterprises or the regional entities. So the accounting principles are based on the guidelines of the accounting principles are generally accepted. The general acceptance of the accounting principles depend upon how well it satisfies the following three criteria. Relevance. So the accounting principles are generally accepted if they have three characteristics involved. First is relevance. In the previous video we have discussed about the characteristics of the accounting information, that should be the relevance. Accounting principle is the relevant if it the result in the information that is useful to the users. The accounting information should be the relevance to the objective of the business organization, that should not be irrelevant to the objective of the business organization or the accounting information. So the accounting information should also follow the objectivity of the business enterprises. The principle is the objectivity it is from the personal bias and the judgment of those who furnish the informations. That should not be influenced by the personal judgments. So objectivities implies verifiabilities, which means that there are some way of the finding out the truthfulness or the correctness of the information reported. So if there is the lackness of the verifiabilities or the truthfulness, so the accounting information could not be in the better way. So the third one is the feasibility. The principles is a principle is feasible if it can applied without undue complexity or the cost. If there is some complexity in the application of the accounting principles, so that cannot be accepted by all the accountant or by all the business enterprises. So students, these are the some accounting features on the basis of the accounting principles. So in the coming video, we will discuss about the accounting concepts. Okay.